Open Google Slides on your iPad. Then choose the slide deck you want to export into Notability. Click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner and choose Share and Export. Click Send a Copy and choose whether you want to do a PDF or a PowerPoint. PDF preserves links. After it's prepared the PDF, choose Notability. You'll then be prompted to whether you would like to create a new note or add to another note. Choose the slides you want to include or include them all. Click Import and now you have your slides in an annotation format in Notability. You can use the zoom feature to zoom in on big ideas and the other tools built in, such as highlighting. One of the nice features in Notability is the ability to zoom in and out and then to switch annotation tools. Hope this helps you get started. Thank you for watching.